Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we will continue our discussion on writing essay in writing section. Today we will going to see how the template works and we will also do some examples. And I want to suggest you one more thing that please learn the template so that you get your desired score. Thank you. Let's start the essay writing.
Hello friends, here you can see one example of writing essay. I'll read the question. What is the role of writing theatre plays and discussing ancient writer in the study of high school student? Now I will tell you how to do this question with using our template. I will just copy and paste it, but you have to learn it and then write it. Here you can in this question we can see that we can write writing theatre as a topic. So we can write writing theatre has become an integral part of the rising debate in the present world, while proponents of the argument are in favor. However, the opponents are completely against the relevance of the topic. Here also we can write writing theatre. Writing theatre. In my opinion, here also you have to write the topic. Writing theatre has more positive impact than negatives in the globe. Now moving to the second paragraph. To commence with, there are a number of arguments in favor of my viewpoint. The most prominent one is that here you have to write one positive impact. Like we can write writing theatre is very important for students according to the research conducted by Western University. Here we can write is that writing theatre plays and discussion ancient writings in the writings in the high school students. Secondly, here we can write it is very vital for students now moving towards the third paragraph. On the other hand, in this paragraph we have to write the disadvantage. On the other hand, critics may point out that one of the most significant disadvantages of the topic, here you will replace it with writing theatre, is that disadvantage of the writing theatre is that it is not very important for students in high school. For instance, a survey conducted in the United States reveals that most of the students do not place or discuss the ancient writings. Now moving to the conclusion. To conclude, even when there are a lot of demerit associated with a topic, you can replace it with the writing theater the advantage outweigh the disadvantage of the writing theater. The writing theater has become a crucial part of life, therefore efficient use of the writing theater writing theater should be promoted. However, it excessive and misuse should be condemned. You can see the word limit is 209. We have completed the limit. Now let's check our answer. It is submitting, and now when we can check our score also. You can see we have got 14.8 from 15 number, and also we have write very easy essay and we got very good marks. Only one mistake is place. Here we have to write play, otherwise our number will be 15 out of 15. Now let's do one more example. Now moving towards second example. The second example is there are both advantages and disadvantages of company worker assessing their own products and services. Discuss. Now we again copy and paste the template. From the question we can see that we can use company workers as topic. So here replace topic with company workers has become an integral part of the rising debate in the present world. While proponents of the argument are in favor, however, the opponents are completely against the relevance of the topic. Here we have to also write working employees, because workers and employees are the same thing. So we can here write employees instead of worker. In my opinion, here also we have to write the topic company stiff. Stiff is also the synonym of the employees and worker, has more positive impact than negative in the globe. Now moving to our second paragraph. To commence with, there are a number of arguments in favor of my viewpoint. The most prominent one is that here we have to write the one benefit. The most prominent one is that the company workers are very important for a company. According to the research conducted by Western University, is that most of the employees assess their own products and services. Secondly, here we have to write one more advantage. Secondly, the company workers are very vital for an organization. Now moving towards the third paragraph. On the other hand, critics may point out that one of the most significant disadvantages of the topic. In this paragraph, we have to write the disadvantage of the company workers is that they did not assess their products and services. For instance, a survey conducted in the United States revealed that most of the company employees do not assess their own products and services. You have to make it very simple essay. Don't try to write fancy essays. Moving toward the last paragraph for conclusion. To conclude, even when there are a lot of demerit associated with the company employees, the advantage outweigh the disadvantage, and the topic company workers has become a crucial part of life. Therefore, efficient use of the company staff should be promoted. However, its excessive and misuse should be condemned. Now we will submit and check the result. Now our answer has been submitted. Let's check result. As you can see that we have scored 15 out of 15. That's very good marks. Use it template. Don't try to write fancy essays or hard essay. Make it very simple so that you will achieve your desired score.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe for one more update. Thank you and have a nice day.